Good morning, children. Can you recall what you learned in the last class? Yes, tissues. What is a tissue? A tissue is a group of cells performing specific function. Now let us classify tissues. Tissues are broadly classified into two, plant tissue and animal tissue. Plant tissues are further divided into meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Permanent tissues are divided into simple permanent and complex permanent. What is a complex permanent tissue? Complex permanent tissues are also called conducting tissues because it contains water and minerals from the root to the leaf for photosynthesis, and prepared food substances are transported to different parts of the plant including the roots. There are two types of conducting tissues. They are xylem and phloem. What is xylem? Xylem is formed of thick wall, tubular and often dead cells. You just observe the diagrams that is given. These cells are placed end to end. The partition between the cells dissolve to form long channels for transport of water and minerals. What are the constituents of xylem? Xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. Now let's see the function of xylem. Xylem cells transports water and minerals from the root to the leaf for the purpose of photosynthesis. Wool xylem. Do you know what is wood and how to calculate the age of a cut tree? Old xylem forms the wood and does not participate in transportation. By counting the xylem rings, we can calculate the age of a cut tree. What is phloem? Phloem is formed of living tubular cells which provide a passage for downward and upward movement of food manufactured in the leaves to various parts of the plant. You just observe the diagram. You can see in the diagram the constituents like seed tube, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Now let us see the difference between xylem and phloem. Xylem transports water and minerals from the root to the leaf for photosynthesis, whereas phloem conducts food manufactured in the leaves to different parts of the plant, including the roots. Xylem consists mainly of dead cells, whereas phloem consists mainly of living cells. In xylem, the conduction is unidirectional, that is, only to one part, upward movement of water and minerals, whereas phloem conducts prepared food substances upward and downward, that is, to different parts of the plant. I hope that you have understood the topic. So, thank you, children. God bless you.